Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark. Today's video is something a little bit different. I did a day in the life of style kind of vlog video. I've definitely never done one of these on this channel. I feel like many years ago when I started vlogging, I might have done something like this. And I kind of share snippets of my everyday life over on Instagram, but this day in the life kind of video is something that's new for me. The day that I filmed was also a little bit of a unique one because I wasn't working my regular job that I normally work during the day, but took you on a little bit of a journey through another aspect of my life. Let me know what you think of this style of video, if you'd like to see more of these, if you hated it, if you're like, Ashley, just talk about reselling, less about your life. Let me know in the comments. And with that, here we go.
Good morning. It is 6:37 and I am just getting ready to start my morning routine and do a workout. Today we're doing upper body, so it shouldn't be too bad. So I'm doing this day in the life, and today is sort of a unique day in the life because it's atypical from what my days normally look like. Normally I work during the day and I do that from home, but today I'm off work because I have a treatment for my Crohn's disease. So I think I shared in a recent video that I have Crohn's disease. I've had it for about 12 years. Last year I got sick again and needed to take a different approach to my Crohn's. So I'm on a medication that needs to be administered through an IV infusion. And so basically I go on, a set schedule and I have to go for these treatments, and I basically just like go sit in the chair for a few hours, do a whole bunch of reading and, scrolling Instagram, listening to podcasts while I have this medication administered to me. This is my third treatment of this new medication that I started, and this is what's called the loading dose. So they give you a few doses to start you off, and then you're just on an every 8-week cycle. So this is my third loading dose, and then my next treatment will be for another 8 weeks. The best. I'm so grateful for them. I'm taking a little walk in downtown Toronto. This is the Art Gallery of Ontario right behind me. It's a beautiful building, and I'm headed to Kensington, which is one of my very favorite neighborhoods in Toronto, and I'm going to stop by a really great gluten-free vegan bakery to pick up some yummy treats and maybe something for lunch. On my infusion days, I like to treat myself with a little bit more care and just kindness, so that's what I'll do, and then I will head home. Some vegan quiche from Bunner's, probably one of my favorite things that they have, and play a little bit of Animal Crossing, and then I'm gonna help my partner film a self-tape video. He's an actor, so that's part of my life. I get to film and edit and sometimes direct his self-tapes. And then this afternoon I am gonna take a nap because usually I feel pretty tired after my infusions, and then do some work on my Poshmark closet.
The infusion I had today is just the third one I've had of this medication, and I'm still gauging how it makes my body feel. And so today, that meant I took like a solid 2.5 hour nap this afternoon, which is great, totally what my body needed. Because I had the day off my regular work, I was able to do that and have the flexibility to do so. And it's something that I love about reselling is I can fit in my reselling tasks and the things that I want to work on in the pockets of time that make sense for me. So what that might look like is, sharing my closet a couple times a day. And I haven't actually captured it on camera today. Bad vlogger, I know. But I shared my closet once when I woke up this morning. I shared it when I was having my infusion. I shared it when I got home during the midday party. And I'll probably do it right now after I film this. And other reselling tasks, I just fit in when it makes sense for my life. So in the evenings, I might spend some time crafting new listings. During the day, if it's bright and light, I might snap some photos. On weekends, that's often when I spend more time on my reselling business. So I might, spend a whole afternoon sourcing or taking photos or mending items if they need them. Right now, what I need to focus on is I just got a box of inventory from a company called Boutique by the Box. I did an unboxing, so I'll be sure to link that up above. And I need to finish processing everything. There's a couple of items that need repairs, and I need to photograph and list everything. So what I did last night was make a spreadsheet of everything and included the brand, the name of the item, the size, just made notes on does it need any work? And then started looking at comps and just notating that. And so that way, when I list things, it's gonna make it much faster. Wouldn't it be cute if I showed making dinner in this video? And then I realized that the fluorescent light in my kitchen is out, so it would be real dark. Maybe another time? Day in the life of me, gonna make dinner in the dark. I popped into my office so that I can show you my dinner. The light is just warming up, so it's not great in here either, but here we are. I made a cauliflower rice with bok choy and mushrooms and onion, and then turkey with onions and garlic and some yummy seasoning. So it should be really tasty. So I was gonna do some work on some Poshmark things tonight, and I think I'm still gonna do that. I have about 5 listings that I wanna get up, but I think I'm gonna spend the time cleaning up my hot mess of an office because it's a little bit of a disaster zone in here. This corner is always a disaster zone, but you don't see that because normally you just see this wall. But this is a box of inventory that I just purchased. I'm in the midst of inventorying and getting comps for, and I'm gonna put it in that bin that's underneath there because I just needed to get a new bin. Those boxes are a couple of things that my boss had delivered to me for a project that we're working on. And those 2 packages up there, I'm actually gonna unbox you right now because there's some really fun stuff that I got from small businesses. Anyway, this is the real view of my office. I love that as the day has gone on, my hair has just gotten flatter and flatter. I've put on more layers, and that's just generally how it goes around here. I wanted to show you 2 packages that I got in the mail from 2 amazing small businesses that I love to support. The first one is called Glee. They make an incredible ghee-based lip balm. I actually have one sitting on my desk because I love it so much. This is the packaging. It's so beautiful. This one is chai and it was almost out, and so I participated in their Black Friday sale because it was buy one get one, and I was like, well, clearly need to stock up. I picked up the chai and the mango, which are 2 of my faves. They also do a mint and a rose, and when they launched, I actually bought all 4 of them, gave a couple of them as gifts, kept a couple for myself, and fell in love. So anyway, love their business. I'll make sure to leave their deets down in the description. Second package was a sweet package from my friend Laura, who founded Stone Tulip Goods. She makes beautiful hand-poured soy candles, and I loved her initial collection, and when I saw that she was doing a holiday collection, I was like, well, I need that in my life. Cute little note card. Thank you, my sweet friend. Love Laura. Oh my gosh. So, sweet orange and sage. Can I smell it? Oh my god, it's so refreshing. The other one is Gingerbread House. These are both part of the winter collection. There was also one that smelled like trees. I was like, Ashley, you only need 2 candles. I definitely almost always have a candle burning in my office during the day. It helps me to feel more cozy, but I tried to restrain myself by only getting 2. Oh, this smells like Christmas to me. This is what Christmas smells like, personified in a candle. Anyway, Stone Tulip Goods, just really great candles. Chelsea does beeswax, like taper candles, as well as these cute little hand-poured soy ones, as well as really lovely ceramics. So I'll be sure to leave their details in the description box below. I love getting mail. It's so much fun.
It's definitely still a bit chaotic back here, but at least it's a little bit better. And once I get through everything in this box, it'll go in this bin, or at least a lot of it will. And usually I just put stuff in that box that sort of requires mending or needs a bit more attention. Those are a couple pairs of boots that I need to deal with and photograph and list. But yeah, soon this giant box will be out of my office and in that bin, and everything will be listed on Poshmark for selling.
It is 8:41. I'm gonna turn off my computer for the night. I've gone through my spreadsheet of everything that's in the box, and tomorrow, or Saturday, hopefully tomorrow, I'm gonna film the second half of my YouTube video around the box and just share my experience. And I'm glad that I am really prepared to do so. I'm gonna go have a bath and probably call it a night very soon after that. These infusion days definitely take a lot out of me, and I need to make sure that my body gets the rest that I need. Thank you for coming along in my day with me today. Let me know what you think of these day in the life of videos, these vlog style videos. Let me know. If you liked it, I kind of share content like this on a day-to-day basis over on Instagram, and you can find me there at AshleyDTL. But if this was fun, give it a like. Let me know in the comments what you thought. YouTube, vlogging. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, friends.